In the last few months, I earned over $250 cash back using this app. And in this video today, I am going to share with you exactly what the Getupside app is and how you can download it for yourself for free today and start earning cash back on your everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and dining out. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to review the Getupside app. I found out about this app back in June of this year, and when I downloaded this app, I immediately started using it first and foremost for gas. This was when gas in my area was nearing $5 a gallon, and I was able to earn cash back on every single one of my gas fill-ups. And what I love about the Getupside app is that it shows you all the different gas stations in your area and the amount they're giving back in cash back. So you can make a very wise decision where you want to go to get your gas and how much you can get back. So let's talk about some of the most important things and questions that people always ask about Getupside. First and foremost, they ask, well, who is this for? Well, it's for anybody who is buying gas, groceries, or dining out at restaurants. Now, full disclosure, the grocery options and the dining options vary from place to place. So I do have friends that say that they have more or fewer restaurant options available in their area, but pretty much everyone I've talked to inside of the US does have some gas stations that are participating in this app in their area. So especially if you're a Lyft driver, an Uber driver, a DoorDash, a Grubhub, or just somebody like my husband who has to drive 35 miles to work each way every day, this is a great opportunity for you to get cash back from something you're going to have to buy anyways, which is gasoline to fill up your car. Now, as you can see here, there are a lot of different places where you can use this app. It's going to vary from location to location, and so it knows when you turn on the app in your location, what's available where you're at. Another really neat feature is that when you travel and you open up your app in that location, the GPS searches for different gas stations, restaurants, and maybe even grocery stores in the area that you're physically located in. So we've taken this on road trips, and when we've traveled, we've filled up with gas, we've gotten discounts at restaurants and gotten cash back. I've actually even been able to type in some of the restaurants in my area and find out that they have a reward available that I can use for cash back. I've seen anywhere from 5% upwards to 20% cash back, up to a $10 value at certain places. And we've been able to use that and take advantage of that, and it's really added up very quickly. Hence the reason why, here's the proof, I've earned over $250 in cash back just in the past few months using this app. And it was free to sign up. So who's it for? Like I said, if you have to do a long commute to your job, or you do professional driving like Uber or Lyft or Grubhub or DoorDash or Shipt or any of the other delivery services, this is definitely money you don't want to leave on the table. But it's also great for you to refer your family and friends, because if you refer people, you're able to earn an extra 15% bonus when they fill up for the first time, and your referrals right now get an extra 15 cents cash back on their fill up. And then every time that any of your referrals fill up going forward on gas, you're going to earn 1 penny for every single gallon that they buy, which I know we're talking cents here, but it's really neat when you see money hitting your bank account every single day just because other people that you've helped out are filling up gas in their tanks. And just think about it. If you refer 10 or 20 or 100 of your friends, you could potentially be earning a pretty decent amount of money over time just for helping them out. The other neat thing is that every so often I've seen Getupside actually have like a referral bonus period, which is where they'll offer some sort of incentive for you to get referrals during that period of time. At one time, I saw even upwards of $7 per new referral into the app. I'll go ahead and put my referral link below. That's going to give you 15 cents extra on every single gallon on your first fill up. And then you can get your own app with your own referral, and you can start sharing that with your family and friends. And then just make sure you're checking your app regularly to see if there's any special bonuses that you could get extra money simply for referring others. Now, the number one question I get is when people say, okay, this is great, Lindsay, but can you actually get the money? I know there's some other apps out there that people say, oh, I earn all these points, and then there's no way for me to cash them in, or it's just some like weird gift cards that I don't even want. So you can see right here that you're able to get a number of different gift cards if you want to transfer your rewards into gift cards, but you can also get it directly delivered into your PayPal account or your bank account. Bank account is what I like to do because I just want my cash back in my bank as soon as possible. So I hope this answered your questions about the Getupside app. Go ahead, click below, download it today, and start saving on your gas, on your dining out, and your groceries, and getting that money back in your pocket for the things you're already buying. I'll see you in the next video.